Welcome back, guys. This is Eddie with Grid 9 Systems. We got, as promised, we're going to get back into this thing again. We finally got in the screen from the slow boat from China, and we will be doing a replacement. Stay tuned. MOSFETs here, or some sort of amplifiers. I'm not seeing anything that pops out. I'm not seeing anything burnt, broken. Fuse is good. I did check that. Check that out real quick. Got my meter in diode mode, and nothing there. Let me. That's not what I want to hear. Sorry about that. All right, guys. Today we have, as promised, the screen replacement on this. And if you caught the previous video, not the previous, but one of my videos on this, we actually tore it down. We were checking it out. Come to find out, we just had to order a screen. There was nothing we could really do to try to repair that. So I definitely tried. I already peeled this apart, took the backing off the polarizer, put a new one. It wasn't in the polarizer. This is actually in the actual ink that's in there, whatever. So we got a new screen, so that's what we're going to do. Before we get too far, I just want to say happy 4th for everyone, and hope you guys are enjoying yourselves and, spending time with your loved ones and friends. And anywho, let's get to it. So, don't want to kind of bore you here with just a bunch of talk, so let's just tear this thing down, and I'll play a little music as we go. Here we go. Four screws split apart. Take the 9-volt battery off. Don't need right this moment. And I believe on this model, we have a screw underneath here, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, guys. And I believe we do have 4 screws here that hold the screen, but you can actually, I believe, get to this without having to undo that. You just got to take this top cover off, the bezel. All right, let's play something else. The music goes pretty quick. Where's my other thing here? There we go. Carefully remove the bezel. Brand new screen, 79.3. That is exactly right. We got new zebra strips. Should go this way. Got the little notch there. You guys can see that little notch. Let's see if I can. See if I can get in here. Got suction on here from the zebra. There we go. I had that on there from the repair that I did on it, which we won't need it on this one because it's got its silver back on here. But let's take the zebra out of there and we'll see. Feels a little tight. Let's see here. I'll put a little alcohol on there and just clean that up just to make sure we got that covered. We want it all clean. Let's not forget our little all right. Got it squeezed down in there. Do, 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 do. That was quick. Let's see, what else can we find here? Midnight. All right, let's try it out before we put the screws in and make sure that that she's working, guys. Before I put it together and put the screws in there, let's try it. Let's make sure we got everything going on here. Woohoo! Look at there. Pretty screen. I'll try that again. You guys can see all of it come up. Let me zoom in. All right. Let's do a quick quick little test here. Trying to get it all in here, guys, but let me see. Let's do that right there. You guys can follow along. Should have 2.5 volts. Should have. Oh, maybe if I go to DC, we will. Okay, 2.496. Let's go to 5 volts. Got 5 volts. Let's go to 7.5 volts, 7.49, and 10 volts, 9.99. There we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. We're working. All right. Awesome. Let's finish putting in those things and we'll go back to the music. Come on, get in there. All right. All right, guys. Well, this was a pretty quick video. Wasn't going to take that long. We already knew what we needed. We already had tore this down before, so we pretty much knew what to do, how to take it apart, how to get to that screen right away, and everything worked out. We got our new screen in there. Now it looks good. There's no missing areas. We could see everything that's supposed to be seen, so we're good to go. I did get, and I will be doing, and you guys will see, I did get a piece of gear in, and I got the video. I need to go through that video and get it posted. I haven't done it yet. I'll be uploading this one here in just a little bit. And then at some point I will be getting that other one started, and we will be working on it, trying to get it repaired, because unfortunately, even though it did power up, there was some issues, which is, I kind of knew that was going to be, when you have a piece of gear that's pretty old, you're going to have probably some capacitors that are going to go out, and something in there went, you know, snap, crackle, and pop, and a little bit of smoke, and you'll see that on the video. And I've got it, I didn't I didn't record anything with me taking apart the boards out of it, but I do have the boards out of it. I haven't done anything with it. I just pulled them out because it's kind of bulky where I'm working on it. So we'll cover all that. I'll bring the boards up here and we'll go through the boards and check everything. We'll have a schematic and all that. So this other will be probably a very long project. It'll probably be in parts because I got to figure out what's wrong with it still. I got to order parts and all that good stuff. So it'll be a long series. So, you know, so if you guys are interested in it, you know, be mindful those are coming. So until then, guys, have a good night. Be safe, enjoy your family and friends, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.